everyone, it's Leslie. Welcome back to my channel. It's kind of funny to say that, but I am trying to grow my YouTube channel, so I'm having to do this formal introductory for you guys. So welcome back to my channel. If you've been following me on Instagram, I have been posting that we are trying to redecorate our home, and so I have been shopping for some home essentials and some items that I'm looking for to add to the style that I'm looking for. So I figured, why not make a little video of those items that I find on my little adventures, and maybe add it to my Leslie's favorites or home decor. So still trying to figure out what kind of categories I want to create for my Facebook. But I do know that I enjoy redecorating my home, adding little touches here and there. So I figured some of you might want to follow that or get some ideas. So this one's about Goodwill. I did go to Goodwill to pick up and just kind of see what's out there. Sometimes you can find some items that have a mystery to them, that might have some historical story to it. Sometimes you can see where it's made from. Items that could be from a different era, which I find fascinating. So those are the things that I really like to look for, and I have to be careful because I will try to take everything home, and I don't need everything. So hopefully in the future I can help people decorate, but that is one of the troubles that I have going, and so I'm working on that. But wanted to share with you some of the items that I found at our local Goodwill store, and I even found one more. I kind of try to find where they are so I can make a quick stop and just see what kind of treasures I can find or things that I can add to our home. So one of the first things that I found that would fit into my re-decor are some coasters that I found. May not be anything special. I have seen these around different stores like Home Goods, but I found these, and I like that they were, I think they're a stone or a clay, I'm not 100% sure, but they are black, and I have some fun coasters around the house, and I wanted to change that up a little bit, make it a little more serious. And so I thought that these would be nice for our master bedroom or owner suite. And got these for 2 for 99 cents. And so you could find these for a good deal at Home Goods, I'm sure. But 2 for 99 cents you can't really beat. So I picked them up. It was like that nice black, had stone, it was interesting, and it adds a little more seriousness to our bedroom. So right now we have something funny that says, not funny, but like fun. It's like a pink and has gold, hello lovely, and some cute things on there. So found that, but I want to change it up. So coasters are good to have all throughout the house, especially if you have like stone countertops or wood tables that you don't want cups to rim or leave a rim on. So and just adds a nice character to the house that you do take care of it, and it's kind of nice when they got a cool design to it. Eyeing lately, and I don't know if it's anybody else out there is doing it, but I'm eyeing how beautiful these ashtrays are. Now I'm not a smoker, but I figured we can use it for some trinkets or jewelry, maybe some mitts, but yeah, obviously, back in the days when people would smoke, or they do smoke still, and then they put their ashes in the tray. And so I've been finding some really pretty ones, and this one right here just caught my attention because of the the ridge on it is, I guess you can say, it's like a crystal. It's a little bit heavier than things that you might find sometimes, and it's just so pretty. So I thought I'd pick that up. It might go in my guest bedroom, so whenever I have company over, they can put their little things in there, or I might set it somewhere with some mints, like I said, so when company comes over, or whenever I want some mints, I just grab them. But so how cool is that? And so this was only $1.99, and so I thought it was a good deal. Like I said, you can find really good deals. So trying to figure out what I'm going to do with it, but I thought it was kind of cool. The next item that I found, I'm really attracted to brass and gold, and yes, Ariel tells me, I'm like, why do you always like gold? But I think it's such a beautiful, elegant color. I might be careful I'm not overdoing it, but I have seen a lot of people agree that that it is like an elegant and timeless metal. So this, I was going down one of the aisles, and it wasn't even in the home good or like the home decor section, and I just found it like between clothing. So don't forget to go through the aisles. There are like Goodwill will put other decor items in between, I'm sure you've seen, but there are sometimes some good hidden treasures, and I found one more thing I'll show you. But anyways, this right here, don't know what the purpose of it is. It looks like it was at a different sale or garage sale. It says $2.99 on the bottom, but it is heavier, so it is unique in a way. It looks like a little patinaed. It might be man-made patina, but it doesn't look like. I mean, you can always kind of imitate things. And then the inside is kind of like that coffee canister I got from IKEA that caught my attention. I was like, ooh. So if you haven't seen my IKEA haul, like they call them, that's what I kind of like. So I'm thinking about putting this somewhere like on a coffee table with a candle and then letting the light kind of reflect on the side. I thought that was pretty cool. Or just maybe put some like plants in there, little carnations, little, like chop them off really low. I don't know. I thought that would be kind of neat. So yeah, pick this one up, and again, in between the aisles. So check that out. And this was for $1.99 at Goodwill. Next item that I said, actually the other two that I have here were found between the aisles. And this one, I don't know if it has any kind of, if it comes from like one of those expensive stores or if someone made something out of it. But when I picked it up, it caught my attention, one, because of the look of it, and number two, it was heavier than other like vases that I found. So it is a pretty vase that I appreciate. So it looks just like this. Ooh, let me take away. And it's got some like foggy exterior texture. That's what I kind of liked about it. And if you feel inside, it's smooth. So something was done obviously to the exterior. And then the bottom has just like a nice little pedestal, and it's clear, but I couldn't find where it was from. Sometimes you'll have something on the bottom, maybe a sticker, but there are no hints for this one. But I liked it because it was heavier, and I am trying to redecorate our bedroom, and I have an idea of where I want to place it. So I'm changing around furniture in the house, and I thought it'd be nice to put it on this dresser that I'm going to put in our bedroom. So only $6.99. Like I said, it's heavier. It feels like it's well made. And I don't know, you could probably put some fake branches or real branches in it, or just set it up on top of a book. I don't know, I kind of liking it for on top of a dresser. So $6.99, I don't know, you can't really beat that. You can find something like this at Home Goods, maybe like $20+, especially when it's like this heavy feeling. So I don't know, thought that was neat and picked it up, and we're gonna find a spot for it in our room. This other one, I don't think it has any, I mean, I'm not sure if it's any antique or anything, but it's kind of going with the flow of our home, or like the items I've been looking for, which are like metals, more serious blacks, golds, or brass. And so I have yet to figure out what I would do with this, but I just liked it, how, what it looked like. And so you may have seen some of these at the home goods stores. It's like a 3 partitioned glass mirror. I guess you can put perfumes in it. You can put like your pearls. Maybe you can put 3 candles. I don't know. I picked it up because I do like want to figure out something with it in our home. It kind of goes with the style. And this was only for $1.99. $1.99. Okay. So it does look. It may be some sort of antique. The back of it says, oh, there's a sticker, Isaac Jacobs International. I don't know. I have to Google that. I haven't done it yet, but it does look like it had some use to it. So I don't know if it was like an older item or if it was just like newer, but somebody really ran it down. But $1.99 and couldn't give it up. So you tell me, what would you do with this? I kind of want to get some ideas. I have tried looking up on Pinterest, but if you have any ideas, please share them. I would like to kind of consider them because I like to see what other thoughts you have. Last but not least, I found this near an open house I did this past weekend, and like I said, I'll search to see if there's a Goodwill, thrift store, or something like that, and I'll jump in and just kind of see what I can find. And I found this. It was pretty heavy, and thought I could use this on a table and just put like a nice little candle in it. I love candles, so if you hear like candle this, candle that, like I'm all about it. I'll light them up throughout the house, feel like it sets a nice ambiance. It doesn't have to be a special occasion. I feel like we are a special occasion. So as cheesy as that might sound or cocky, but it's just kind of nice. It sets the mood. You should enjoy your home. And so I feel like I like to add candles everywhere. So why not add one more somewhere else? And so this is I'm pretty sure crystal. It's heavy. It has that nice little ridge, and I thought that if like putting a candle, it'll reflect on it nicely. And so I have used it already, but I didn't take the sticker off because I want to make sure I told you the right price. But this was only $1.99, so it's kind of like a trend at Goodwill, $1.99, 2 for $99, $99.99. And so, but yeah, so for, you know, just to add a little happiness to my house, I like to put things around, kind of like remember where I got it from, how neat of a find it was, and like, especially if you add a little touch, your touch to it, like a candle or like flowers. It's just, I don't know, it's just, you walk around your home and it just reminds you of little things. So they make me happy. They make me happy to be home. But so yeah, I will put this maybe in a little video with a candle in it and see what you guys think. But yeah, so that was my recent purchases at Goodwill. And so I just kind of want to know, what do you guys do? Do you tend, like, you know, to go straight to a Home Goods, brand new everything? Do you have some sort of like thoughts on that? Or do you like to go see what kind of treasures you can find for your home? Or just kind of look around and see like, oh, that's kind of neat, but don't buy anything? What are your thoughts on thrifting? But yeah, so like I said in the beginning, I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel, so please hit like and subscribe, and hoping to post more videos about our home decor and redecoration around the house, and let me know if I could help with anything. I've been picking up on a few tips and tricks for your house, so if you have any like questions or need some ideas, I would love to try to help you. So just message me on, I'm on Instagram, miss.carpio. You can find me on Facebook or YouTube. So either way, you can comment or hit like or subscribe. But thank you for watching, and let me know what your thoughts are on Goodwill shopping. Bye-bye.